Hello guys, it is Monday, so let's talk about Monday. What I mean is I'm going to explain in this video everything about monday.com and how to earn from monday.com. So right now I'm on Fiverr search. I search the keyword Monday, just Monday only. As you can see, there is just 831 sellers that are currently selling this service. And as you can see, first page is filled up with successful people in this field. So the main reason why I'm showing you this is to take this video seriously, because you can implement it and you can also actually use it as a source of income. Do you understand? So here is for Monday, just keyword Monday. So as you can see, it's just 10 search tags here. So now I'll go down to monday.com. So before I proceed, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment in the comment below section. If you have any questions regarding this video, I'll be very happy to assist you in the comment section. So now I will go to my new tab. I will click on depending on what you want to do on monday.com, either you want to do or what you want to do for your buyers, on monday.com you can manage projects, and there is more other things you can do here. You can manage ads, you could see more insights. If you are the kind of people that you are addicted to seeing the details and analytics of something in depth, that means you are in the right video. Monday.com will allow you to access every analytics of whatever you are doing. Either you are running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, irrespective of the ads, you get full and well detailed analytics on this website. So the first thing right now is, as you can start to create an account here. I already have my account, but I just want to explain to you, go through the process gradually. So right now, for example, you want to run a marketing project for your buyer. Specifically, if you are working on Fiverr or you are working on Upwork and other freelance platforms, this website is one of the best key websites that you could use to unlock so many other things that you will be very happy, and your buyers will also be very happy with your project. So right now, I'm going to click on this bar marketing. I'll click on marketing. Then I'll click on get started. So you want to manage a marketing project of a buyer, and you need certain content writer from a different state or from a different place entirely. For example, you are in Europe and you need someone that is also working with you on the project as a content manager. He or she will also be working with you here. So you could create a team that you can work together on monday.com. So right now, it's either you input your email here or you continue with Google. So once you are done continue with Google or continue with email, you will be asked 3 to 4 questions. Firstly, you'll be asked to add your brand name. After your brand name, they will ask you to talk about yourself. Thereafter, they will ask for how many people you want in your team. Is it 2 to 5 people? And I want you to take note of something. If it is above 2 to 5 people, you will have to pick a plan. So 2 to 5 people are still allowed to use monday.com for good 14 days free trial before you get to purchase a plan. I hope you understand, guys. Good. So after you do that, you'll be asked to add a new board, which will be the first pop-up that will come up after you have been able to see this welcome page. So now I will go to my new tab here. This is my dashboard on monday.com. As you can see, I've been working on the campaign here, working on it, done. You might really not understand what I'm saying right now, but the main point is, once you are able to get down to your dashboard, you create your board. How do you create your board? The pop-up will come up on your screen. You input whatever you want to add in your board. But my first board is social media marketing. As you can see, guys. So for example, right now I want to add a new board. This is what I'll click on, new board here. Then I'll click on new board. I'll add, as you can see, I'll add whatever I want to add here and what the project is all about, the budget, leads, if it is leads that I want to work on here, if it is clients that I want to work on with here, it's projects, tasks, employees, creatives, campaign items. You can see what this thing entails all about. You could share this board to other people. So for example, now you want to invite someone else. For example, you are the marketing manager, you need a content writer to work with you, and the company you are working with gets you a content writer, and you guys want to work together and you want to stay updated at the same time. So this is the best website for you. So you're going to click on this invite. You see this invite, click on invite. Then you will add whichever member that you want to add. Like for example, the member's name is member's Gmail. Type it down here. Once you type it down here, you click on invite a new member by mail. So automatically Monday.com will send a Gmail to that person saying they have been invited, and once the person accepts the invite, you automatically have the person active here on your account also. So you will be working as a team. Good. So after that, before you start working on every other thing, you have to think of the website I want to work on, this Facebook ads I want to run, the Instagram ads I want to run. So everything, you have to integrate everything. So that's what will take me down to this integrate bar. So once you click on this integrate, you will see various social media accounts and various hubs that you can use, that you can integrate here. As you can see guys, there is Gmail, HubSpot, Jira, a lot more, LinkedIn, Mailchimp, Outlook, Zoom. As you can see, there are so many other ones here. I actually integrated my Gmail and with my Facebook. So I'm going to right now. As you can see, connect. So I will be able to have more access to its daily ads budget, everything. I'll be able to see it more properly on Monday.com. So now I will connect everything together in order for it to redirect me back to Monday.com. So if you have any other social media you also want to link, or your company provide everything to you, as you can see, my ads manager will automatically be integrated with my Monday account now once I click on continue as questionnaire. As you can see, this is my ads manager account ID. So you will click on it also, then next. As you can see, if I want to run ads, page, impression, post, content, everything on my Facebook, I will be able to have access to it also on my Monday dashboard. So you are now linked successfully to Monday.com to manage ads management on Facebook. So now I'll click on OK, then it will redirect me back to Monday.com. So guys, if you want to integrate every other social media account, just go there, integrate other social media accounts that your buyers, in order for you to be able to work more effectively and more in-depth details about the ads and everything you are working on, in order for your clients to know you are doing their job very well. So there is also a section here that you could chat with every other people that is on your team. There's a section you could click on done. Once you are done with project, you are still working on the project, there is also a section you could click on it. So now I will show you the other features here that you could have access to. This is what I set up. I work on something here. So you click on this add button. So once you click on this add button, as you can see, new board, I explain what the board is. New document. For example, you want to add a new document here. Okay. Once you want to add a new document, once this page, you are back. So please hold on guys. Okay, this is the Facebook I integrated successfully just now. So other social media accounts you want to integrate them here. So as you can see, marketing, e-commerce. As you can see, other CRM is also here, customer relationship management, remote work, every other things are here also for you to integrate them there. So I'm going to cancel this for now because I just want to brief it as fast as I can. So this is new dashboard. Like for example, you want to start a new project, you have to create a new dashboard. Choose template. If you want to do some things, you have to pick a new template. As you can see, social media planner, powerful campaign. As you can see, there are so many other templates here. But if I want to see more in depth and more insight about my campaigns, I'm going to click on powerful campaign planning. Then I will click on use template. Creating your template automation. So you have to wait like load. So now guys, this is it. As you can see, YouTube, low, and okay, let me shift to this side for you to see other things. As you can see, budget $10 here. You can see this is my Gmail, working on it. As you can see, this here is start by particular opening. As you can see, this is currently part of what I'm working on here. This is the start date and the end date is also going to be here. It's just 8 days project. So this is my name chip here, Facebook. They are both approved, as you can see here. So now you click on this add button again. Because of why, I need to show you everything one by one. So this import data. For example, you have a zip file of leads, or you have an Excel file of leads, or you want to import a ad from Facebook down to this place also. You just come here, click on whichever one you want to work on, just add it. So new folder, for example, you want to start a new project, you have to click on new folder, add every other thing you need, and you get started immediately. So I'll click on my profile. You have to complete your profile. As you can see, my profile. For you to be able to work more effectively, you have to complete everything on your profile and be admin, as you can see, and every other details I added them there. So now I'm going back, explore more products. This is what I'm going to click on now. So right now I already used work management. I used it earlier. So right now I wish to add another one, Monday Sales CRM, in order to boost the sales and conversions of my buyer store. So I'm going to click on try for free. So I have to wait for a while, creating your template boards. So this, like if you want to work on monday.com, firstly, the first key is you have to be patient, and second thing is you have to be observant, keep observing everything and keep going through everything one by one, and before you know it, you're gonna be a pro also. So that's very good. So now I successfully added what I just click on try. Now I added it successfully. As you can see, this is it here. As you can see, deals value, everything. Whenever we start a project, every insight, everything will be here. Proposal, discovery, negotiation. For example, do you see what you can do on this website? You can see welcome to Monday Sales CRM. Next. So as you can see, this integrate email. As you can see, for example, I have an email list on my system. I'm going to click on integrate, but right now I'm going to click on I will do it later. So guys, you see, these are the things you could have access to once you start using monday.com. So right now I want to swipe this towards this side for you to see other things. These are stage, owners, deals, value, contacts, accounts, priority, deals length, how many days it's going to take, like duration, project duration, and this is budget. Everything is here. Add new group. If you want to add a new group, is here. This is the first group and this is the closed one. So guys, I really appreciate your time for listening to me, and I really appreciate everything. Please stay tuned for my next video and stay safe.